this out. Look at this. All to ourselves, not a car on the beach. Just approaching Coorong National Park now. Fucking mid-puss. So that's the Coorong that we're approaching. It's quite a large body of water. I head up past it to Tea Tree Crossing, which is another short trek down the road. But yeah, keep you posted with this. What did it say about 7 Ks to Tea Tree? Yeah, well, we're aiming for Tea Tree Crossing. This might be salt flats. Maybe just chuck what you think this is in the comments. I don't know, maybe salt flats. Interesting stuff. They've placed markers in the sand for where you got to drive. There's a 40k speed limit. We just got to jump across. I think it's the Coorong. So this is called Tea Tree Crossing. We're unsure of the conditions of it, so we're going to be super careful because we are travelling alone. And yeah, we're just driving to the end of this runway type road, and we'll check out what it's like and see if we can get through. I'm just going to let the tyres down so we got more of a chance of whatever experience getting through it, so yeah. Going count to about a minute in my head, and then I know I'm close to 20 psi. We've just tried to start the car, and it wouldn't start, like full key, nothing, not even lights, and I was like, what the fuck? So we popped the hood and fucking, yeah. It rattled the black loose, so yeah. Luckily she's alive. Alright, here we go. We don't even know the conditions of this joint. Yeah, it's not too bad. I don't think there's any turning back now. It's not deep, it's just we're all alone and we don't know where we are, so that's what's the worst part is. Tina's just getting sprayed. Guys, this is absolutely sick. It looks like the Sahara Desert. The beach is closed the 24th of October to the 24th of December. To protect the hooded plover. It's interesting. You're only allowed to camp on the beach or in fenced off areas. This is where we are here, and we're going to be working our way down through here. Where we've pulled up. It's a bit too windy to fish, sadly, but we're just really taking the time to appreciate how beautiful this place looks. We've pulled in here to escape the wind, and we've set up. We've come across some tracks here. I'll show you them. So there'd be emu tracks. Is that right? There's one there. Or Tyrannosaurus Rex. Or tarantula tracks. I'm unsure. Comment in the comment section whether ostriches, whether it be an ostrich or a emu, and whether they're dangerous. So yeah. Just grabbing it sideways, trying to get out. We just keep sliding down the beach. Did we bury it? It's full buried. We should have put the straps on.